Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is my first video of reviewing the skincare product on screen. I'm thrilled. So yeah, today I'm going to be reviewing sheet mask. Especially for the skincare beginners, there will be many questions popping up about the sheet mask, especially whether they are worth it, do they actually work and all. So today I'm here to clear all your queries. So I have used sheet masks from different brands. Of all the brands, personally I love Mediheal sheet mask so much. So today I'm going to be reviewing Mediheal sheet mask along with the benefits of the sheet mask. So let's start. So I have these different flavors of Mediheal sheet mask today. I love this collagen sheet mask very much because, well, collagen is a must for our skin. It helps in reduction of wrinkles, reversal of anti-aging, and way more benefits. But today I'm going to use AGT Time Talks Ampule. I'm in the mood for using this one today, so let's start with this one. So before using this sheet mask, I kept it in refrigerator for 10 minutes so that it becomes cool. Keeping sheet mask in the fridge before putting it on my face. Our face should be clean before applying any skincare product, so it's a must to cleanse our face before starting any skincare process. And after that, we have to prep our skin with the toner. Here I have a toner from Forest Essentials, so let's spray it on. Yeah, and let it steep for a few minutes, and then we can further move on to applying sheet mask. So it's been 2 minutes. We are ready to put on the sheet mask. So I'm here opening it. And opening it and taking it out. Let me just open it. Looks quite clumsy. Yeah. Also, it's important that our hands are also clean, because can't be dirty because we are using our fingers to open the sheet mask. So I guess I opened it quite well. Yeah, just this the way. Yeah. I look like a cartoon ghost right now. I sure do look like a cartoon ghost right now. Oh. Yes, spread it on your face, and have some serum left on the sheet mask so you can apply it on your hands. So let the sheet mask be for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, you can do whatever you want. Just stay relaxed, or read a book, listen to songs, and talk to a friend for 10 to 15 minutes. Well, 15 minutes are over, so let's take the sheet mask off slowly. Well, you can see how my skin is glowing. You can also use the sheet mask before any events or parties so that your skin is glowing from the inside. It gives you the glow from the inside. You can see. Well, after sheet mask, you can use moisturizer and then sleeping mask, and then done for the day. You can go to sleep happily. I surely vouch for the sheet mask, and it's not also it's not the one-time thing. You gotta use it often. I use sheet mask twice a week. And also skin, as you already know, skincare is never, well, there's never an ending to skincare. It's a process that keeps on going on. Also, you can use this rest of the serum to your hands or feet, so that it won't be wasted, so the remaining serum won't be wasted. Well, you can see how my skin is glowing, and I'm using this word glowing too many times because it's true, and absolutely love it. Well, I believe there's no disadvantage of using a sheet mask, because it's very, because taking a time out for yourself actually releases happy hormones, and it's relaxing and calming, and so why not? Well, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the video and it's helpful, and yes, it's your turn, guys. Now do try them, and yes guys, it's definitely worth it. Well, if you have any queries regarding skincare, you can comment in the comment section below, and have a lovely day, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.